Hey guys, my name is Amanda Strickler and I am from Colony, Kansas. I grew up on my parents' farm about 3 miles outside of town. I am currently the ag teacher at Iola High School, which is about 12 minutes away from Colony where I grew up. I am also the head volleyball coach. In the summers, you can find me working at our local John Deere dealership, coaching summer ball, helping out with the family farm as I'm still very actively engaged in that. My technology strengths and weaknesses I would consider pretty basic. Technology strengths would be I know how to use email and Google and research things. Weaknesses would be I'm learning how I just learned about you can post videos on YouTube and do a private channel. I had no idea about that. Digital tools I have access to would be the typical things, what I would consider typical things: laptop, iPad, iPhone, and then the Wi-Fi to go along to enhance those tools. My comfort with Google Apps for Education have been, I would consider, developing. Before taking any of these courses in instructional technology, I didn't know how to use hardly anything, but I have learned a lot, especially with the use of the community tools and how to upload and collaborate and things like that. So I would say they're medium, but could always be growing um, in comfort and knowledge that Google has to offer because I've learned that Google's awesome when it comes to education, and I had no idea. So I look forward to pursuing this journey with you all.